Hello! Today I'll be showing you how to do the trick half backpack. So to start, we need to speed up our yo-yo. So for this trick, you want to make sure there's no loops when you start. And there will also be no loops at the end if you do it correctly. The first thing you're going to need to do is turn so you're facing the yo-yo like this. Or if you're doing it right-handed, like this. So once you turn, you have to take this hand. So I turn to the left, I turn to the right, so I need to use my left hand and put it behind my shoulder. If I was to turn to the left, I would put my right hand behind my shoulder. So basically, I put the string around, back, and over my shoulder. It can also be over your arm. There's not really much of a difference. And then you want to line up this top string with the bottom string. So that way, when you toss a yo-yo from the bottom string, your top string can swing down and hit the yo-yo. So once I get back into this position, I'm going to use the bottom hand to toss the yo-yo up, and then I'm going to move this bottom hand out of the way. And I'm going to use the top hand and swing down. It'll look like this. Once I get into this position, I want to swing all the way back around to get back to where I started. And that's how the trick backpack looks. So if I were to do it completely as one, linked together, it would be put it over your shoulder, line up top and bottom strings, toss up, swing down, swing around. If you were to do it right-handed, it's very similar. It's just basically the same thing with the hands reversed. Put it around, toss up, swing down, swing back around. And now I'll demonstrate it 2 more times in case you just wanted to watch.